Hi, welcome everybody. This is an introduction session to Oracle databases, and this is my schedule that we are going to do throughout this session. Item number 1: what is database? A database is an organized collection of structured information or data typically stored electronically in a computer system. A database usually controlled by a database management system. Together the data and the DBMS along with the application they are associated with them are referred to as a database system, often shortened just database. It's like, as example, we know that in an organization we have to maintain customer data. We all store those information in a database, but it's not easy. It's not the way that we are doing. Generally, if we took our older days, we just maintain a ledger. Nowadays that has been changed to electronic system. We call it database management system. So during last few years, this database management system has developed in many ways. That means currently we are using relational databases. Here we store data in a normalized manner. I'll discuss you what is normalization also. So once we normalize those information, we stored in a table. A table is a collection of related data held in a table format within a database. It consists of columns and rows. Rows we used to add record by record. Is like if there are 10-15 people. Example, the way that you identify me: first thing my ID number, second my name, then my date of birth, then my address and my contact details. This is a sample of customers what do you call it, customer personal information, we say. Or so other than that, I may be doing financial transaction, fund transfers. That is one thing. And not only that, I may maintain accounts, many accounts in a bank. There are many types of accounts. And for current accounts, there are something called current accounts, savings accounts, as well as FDs, these kind of things. So the behavioral of these types of accounts vary from time to time. As example, savings account we use only for cash deposit and withdrawals. In addition to that, we are getting interest for that. For like this one component may adding some more elements. It's like interest is something else, account is one thing. So the account of the behavioral, there could be processes. So these processes act on a different. To activate these processes, you need different set of information. Example, if there are 10 savings account, these 10 accounts may maintain different interest rates. So you have to calculate rates calculate the interest account and the interest rate that's already that is already given for particular account. That is another process, as I told you. If it's a FD is work on its functions is FDs behave in a different way. Some people get interest at the time of renewal. This interest will pass to a savings account. Sometimes accounts will renew with the same interest, and so time these we have to cater these kind of activities. For current accounts, you will get check and you won't get interest, but book to particular customer, what we do is we check whether there are more than check returns per month. In relational databases and fact files databases, tables is a set of data elements values using a model of vertical columns and horizontal rows. So I'm going to describe what is table. This is a table definition what I got from Wikipedia. So we are going to store those records in a row and columns. A table has a specified number of columns but can have any number of rows. Each row is identified by one or more values appearing in a particular column subset. A specific choice of columns which uniquely identify rows called primary key. That's the main point I want to highlight. You will get a new word, primary key. And there are index fields comes under tables. If you are going to search particular column, particular row, particular record, we use these numbers, these indexes. Thank you for the moment.